guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am testing out a foundation and I'm testing out the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream. So it's the mini version. This has been around for a while now, I think, but I didn't want to buy the full size version just in case it was the wrong shade or I didn't like it. So I picked up the mini. And I also picked up the It Cosmetics Love Is The Foundation Brush. I got this from Boots. I know there are different types of these. This is like the flat top one. So yeah, people seem to like these. So I'm going to try that out with it. So that is what it looks like. So mine is in the shade Fair. I think that was the lightest one that they did. So this is a CC cream, so it's colour correcting. But people say that it has enough coverage to look like a foundation. So it says colour correcting full coverage cream, and it's a hydrating and anti-aging concealer all in one. It also has SPF 50, which will be amazing for the summertime, and people are saying that it has increased hydration in their skin, smoother skin. People have seen an improvement in the appearance of wrinkles, so looking less, and they're saying that pores appeared smaller as a result of this. So yeah, very big claims. We shall see. So yeah, I'm going to be testing that out today along with the brush, and I'll do a normal foundation review where I wear it all day and check back in with you throughout the day to see how it's looking. So yeah, let's just get started. So first of all, I'm going to spray my face using the Barry M Flawless Hydro Fix Primer Water. This is the only primer that I use for foundation reviews, just because I like to see how the foundations naturally perform on their own. So I just use a primer water, and so let's go in. Okay, so this is how it's looking with one layer on, and to be honest, I'm just going to keep it as it is. I don't need to do another layer. First of all, not too sure what to think about this brush. It's very dense. Now, I have a very dense brush here by Morphe, right? This is the Morphe M439. It's very dense, lots of brushes, but it seems to like blend it in a bit easier. This was quite hard to blend in the foundation. Like I felt like, ooh, I have to keep tugging at my face. I don't know if that's just because it's new, maybe it needs just to be softened first, and it's not awful, but I just don't think it's as good as the Morphe one, but it was like double the price. So I'm not sure about the brush. The foundation, or the CC cream, I actually really like. The only thing is, it's just too dark. I don't know if you can see there. There's a harsh line which I am frantically trying to blend in. It is just way too dark, but I'm planning on wearing this in the summertime anyway because it has SPF 50, so my skin will be naturally a bit darker then anyway. So that's not a huge issue. I just won't be able to wear this throughout the winter. Another thing is that it's very glowy on my skin, very hydrating, which at the moment I'm going through very dry skin, so that's a good thing. But my nose always looks oily no matter what time of year it is, no matter what my skin is doing. My nose always looks oily, and I can see that my nose is quite oily right now, so I will be putting a lot of powder on it, but I actually really like the way it looks on my skin. I mean, I wouldn't say it's full coverage, I'd say medium coverage, and you can still see redness through my cheeks here a little bit, so it's not completely colour correcting. But other than that, I love the way it looks on my skin. Just looks really natural, really flawless. It kind of looks like just a tinted moisturiser. That's kind of how I can describe it to you. It looks really, really nice though. So as the first impressions go, thumbs up. So I'm just going to finish the rest of my makeup now off camera, and then I'll come back with my thoughts. Okay, so I just finished the rest of my makeup, and I absolutely love the way it looks on my skin. I think it's a very natural kind of looking foundation. I know it's a CC cream and it says it's full coverage, but I don't think it's full coverage because I think it looks quite natural on the skin. I'd say medium coverage, but it just literally looks so natural and smooth on my skin. I absolutely love the way it looks, and because I've set it all with powder now, it looks a lot better. It was a bit too shiny earlier, but I've set it with powder. But that does make me a little bit concerned that throughout the day I am going to be getting increasingly oilier and oilier. Another thing as well, it did have a slight smell to it. I'm not noticing now that I've got the rest of my makeup on, but when I was applying it, and I can still smell it on the brush, it has like an unusual, like, I can't even describe the scent. It's not awful, it's just a bit unusual, that's all. But I can't smell it now that I've done the rest of my makeup, so that's fine. But yeah, so far so good. I'm really liking it. But yeah, like normal with my foundation reviews, I check back in after 2 hours, 6 hours and 8 hours of wearing the foundation. So I just film throughout the day to let you know how it's looking and my thoughts on the foundation. And so I'll be doing that throughout the day today. But so far so good. So I will see you in 2 hours to see how it's looking then. So see you then. Okay, so I've been wearing the foundation for 2 hours. And there's not really much change. I am starting to get slightly more oily, which was expected. Not really this quickly, but I did say it was a very hydrating foundation. So we shall see how it's looking in another few hours, but it's still looking really nice for now, and not really much change. So yeah, we'll see how it's looking in another 4 hours. So I'll see you then. Okay, so it's been 6 hours now wearing the foundation, and I just had a look in the mirror and I am naturally a little bit oilier than earlier. That just normally happens with any type of foundation that I wear that isn't a mattifying one. So I kind of expected it. The rest of my face is looking fine, it's just my nose is a little bit too oily. So even though I put a lot of powder on, there was nothing I could do really to counteract that unless I had a mattifying primer on, which I didn't. Just because the foundation is naturally a dewy foundation, which will be fine in the summertime, and I still think it looks fine now, and it can always be touched up with powder anyway. So it's still looking nice and smooth on my face. Still looking good, so I'll keep it on for another 2 hours and we'll see how it's looking then. Okay, so it's been 8 hours wearing the foundation and it hasn't really changed since the last check-in. It hasn't gone any more oilier, so that's good. It's just about the same amount of oiliness as the last check-in. We've gone slightly oily on the top, but it's nothing too much. You know, that kind of usually happens anyway with foundations for me. So no different really from last time. So I still like the foundation. I would just suggest using a matte primer, more powder, and maybe touching up the powder throughout the day as well. So it's still a really good foundation and I do really like it. So yeah, I guess a thumbs up from me. So yeah, that completes my review of the It Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Cream. And I also tested out the Love is the Foundation brush as well. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!